Sorry about that, I just skipped a bit. So what just happened is that everyone says that Chatot here, this guy, says, if you can't remember his name, he says that time in Tree Shad Forest has apparently stopped. And then that, you know that Pokemon that you saw taking the time gear? That was the Pokemon taking the time gear from Tree Shad Forest. But that Pokemon later on in the game will surprise you a lot. After that, it will just say hooray, even though like nothing's happened. Hooray! So then there's Treasure Town. Ooh, on the top screen. This is that where the arrow is. That's Waterfall Cave. Fixed it. There you go. Just out of focus. Then you do the little jig thingy. That's random. Ooh. Oh yeah, now I get to recruit Pokemon. And if you've had any of the other dungeon games, when you recruit a Pokemon, you have to bring it through all of the dungeon unless you escape using an escape orb. In this one, as soon as you recruit it, you can just send it back home. Proceeds, and I'm ready to recruit Pokemon. Ooh. Ouch! That must hurt. That must hurt a lot for a fire type. You're mean, Trico. Jisho. Very mean. Oh, it's that dream dizziness thingy in my bubble magic. Thingy, my bob. Thingy. My bob magic. Thingy. Thing. Guess that Pokemon. Who's that Pokemon? That's... You just saw a dream. Smooshed. Whee! Wah! there isn't too much here. I could sell that special band because I've already got one. Right. I'm gonna give that to me. Actually, I could sell my defense scarf, but I'm gonna give the special band to Trico. G-Show. Let's see. Oops. Oh, keep nudging the camera. It's annoying. Let's shift for that. Oh well. There's a Screamer which when you attack it with normal, like normal attack. Ooh! Glowtad. That's that random Pokemon. You're the one. Oh yeah, there's another like Starly type Pokemon. This one. Surskit. It knows Quick Attack. Doesn't want to join my team. There's also Gastrodons and Psyducks. Overall, this is an easy dungeon. Apart from those Gastrodons, which... oh yeah, there's also Wooper. All wild Pokemon in this one. Ooh, Revive Seed, nice. Now that. Ooh. Well, I think I'm gonna need it for the Grimers. There's also Tanglia. Kill that. And it grows, it evolves, not grows, into Tangrowth. And when defeating a Grimer, to kill it with a special attack. If you don't know whether you have one, look at that move and then see whether it is special or normal. They don't have too much health, about around 40. That's Wishcash. They're very rare. Too hard. See? It's very easy. Basically, Mount Bristle again, but without those Starlies. Starly does more than Surskit.